Welcome friends. My name is Pooja Shriram Thamke. I am studying in BSc first year from Adarsh Mahila College Hingoli. I have represented by Lagrange's mean value theorem. We see in the statement of this theorem. If a function f is continuous in a closed interval a comma b and derivable in open interval a comma b, then there exists at least one value of c where c is belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash of c is equals to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Now we see the proof of this theorem. To prove the theorem, we define a new function phi involving f and design so as to satisfy the conditions of Rolle's theorem. Let phi of x is equals to f of x plus a into x, where x is belongs to closed interval a comma b, where a is a constant to be determined, such that phi of a is equals to phi of b. Thus, f of a plus capital A into small a is equals to f of b plus capital A into small b, implies a is equals to minus f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Now, the function f is derivable in open interval a comma b. Also, x is a derivable and a is a constant. Therefore, phi is derivable in open interval a comma b. Thus, phi is satisfy all the conditions of Rolle's theorem. Therefore, there is at least one value of c where c is belongs to open interval a comma b, such that phi dash of c is equals to 0. So that we have 0 is equals to phi dash of c is equals to f dash of c plus a, implies f dash of c is equals to minus a. Therefore, f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a is equals to f dash of c. Thank you.